Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the row widget in Flutter. The row widget in Flutter used to arrange the widgets horizontally. It's same as the column, but it arranges its widgets or its children in a horizontal way or horizontal direction. And this widget, in this we can also specify the alignment, the space in between the children and width and height of the children. So to see that in action, in the child property which takes widgets as a list, we can just define a container and we're gonna give it a width, color and height and width of 100 and color of red, and we're gonna wrap our row in a safe area so it doesn't hamper our top most title bar. And as you can see, we have one container with the color of red. I'm just gonna copy it and change its color to green. I'm gonna again create another container and give it a color of amber. So you can see it all stacked horizontally and horizontal direction, and we can specify its properties also. So the main axis alignment would be in row widget would be its x-axis. So if I make it center, the widget will be in center, and same goes with the main axis size. So as I explained in column widget video, that main axis, if I set this to minimum, it will only take its child size. So if I take it to minimum, it will only have the area where the yellow widgets and the width of it and the height of the columns. But if I change it to max, it will take the whole canvas area. And we can also specify the cross axis alignment. It would be the vertical y-axis alignment. So we can, if we have other widgets into this and it's also wrapped in a container, we can specify that from where we want it to start or where we want it to end, or from these are the normal properties of the row widget.